I got this ski boot bag and this bag for my skis, and I'm super impressed with it. I just came back from a ski trip. This fits both of my ski boots really easily and has a nice zipper on it. We have the shoulder carrying strap as well, which is adjustable. And then there's also the top carrying handle up here. So again, super simple if you want to carry it like that or throw it over your shoulder. And then there is a side pouch right here as well. Having everything have simple straps makes it easy to transport. And again, that can be a shoulder strap if you'd like. Now for the skis, super simple, wide opening to pop your skis. I actually have 2 pairs of poles in here right now, and easy to load it all up, zip it up. So whether you're gonna be driving somewhere to go skiing or if you're flying, this is a great way to protect all your gear. Again, you have a good handle here. You have an area to put your name, address. If you're flying, that's a great idea. And then you also can clip everything together as well. This is a great way to keep your gear organized, and when you're ready to go skiing, you have everything set in a good place to put it back when you're done. When you're storing it during the off season, it keeps it all clean as well and protected. I love it, and I think you're gonna love it as well.